Aloha, I'm Andy, and in this video I will do an unboxing for this DIY headlight restoration kit from Visbella, bought from Kaufland. Like I said, I purchased this product from Kaufland because my 18-year-old car headlights are very foggy. I have high expectation from this product, but let's do the unboxing first. The package is from cardbox. It is very light. In the front of package we have two photos of a headlight before and after the restoration. The photo made after the restoration is looking good. I hope my headlight will look good too after the restoration. So for restoration, no special tools required, it's a quick and easy 3-step process. Let's see what is in the package. 2 pieces of P800 sanding disc. 2 pieces of P1200 sanding disc. 2 pieces of P2000 sanding disc. 1 wall polish disc. 1 white sponge disc. 85-gram polish paste. 2 pieces of 3 ml UV protection liquid. 1 masking tape. 1 hand buff tool and the instruction manual. On the polishing paste I noticed the date is 2019-03-07, I hope this is the manufacture date and not the expiration date. The instructions are very clear with all the steps. So this was the unboxing. In my next video I will test this restoration kit and I hope I will be satisfied with the results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.